all there, so if you're really new to our channel, do subscribe to us and press the bell icon given below to view our all new videos, tips and tools whichever that we are posting in our channel. Thank you for subscribing and watching us. Hey, yeah, I understand. Okay, let me tell you that. Sure, I'll give you a proper solution for that. Hey all there, so we all really use our smartphones, right? How many of us really like our back cases? And how many of our back cases turned into yellowish dirt? Now I'm going to give you a solution to turn your dirt yellowish back car into all new back case. So for this, all you need is 3 simple home ingredients. Number 1, all you need is this: a toothpaste and an unused toothbrush. Number 2, a detergent powder. Number 3, a bowl of water. Just make sure that your case is going to fit inside that bowl. Now let's move on to the procedure. Firstly, now take out your mobile case. Now take out your unused toothbrush. Now take out the toothbrush and rub it over these parts of yellowish dirt over that mobile case. Make sure it should last at least for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Take out the toothpaste and apply it thoroughly over the mobile case, inclusive of unaffected dirt spots. Leave it dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once it completely dries, now take out a dry cloth or a tissue. Make sure it is not wet. Then take off all the dry paste from the mobile case. Make sure no paste should get stuck over the mobile case. Step 3. Now take out the detergent powder. Make the detergent powder into paste and apply that paste over the mobile case affected spots of yellowish. With the help of it should get rubbed off very well over the affected yellow spots. Let it set dry for about half an hour. And now we have come to the final step. Once it dried completely, now add the detergent powder into the bowl of water. Now put the mobile case into the detergent water. So here comes the interesting part. If your mobile case is made up of silicone material, your resting of mobile case inside the water shouldn't be more than 5 to 6 hours. Apart from silicone material, anything can be rest up to 8 hours. And yeah, that's it. So after making it soaked inside water for longer hours, you can now take off your mobile case out. Now wipe it off with a tissue or a soft cloth. Make sure you should wipe it off gently. And you can see the difference. Yes, these spots of yellowish dirt has been removed. For safer side, you can apply ash powder. Let me tell you, again this is an optional reason, but why I suggest you to use the ash powder after these procedures. So far, whatever we have used is content of chemicals. The ash powder helps in retaining the stains away. And after taking the case out, wiping off with soft cloths or tissue, you can make your mobile case sit inside or rest inside this ash powder for about 15 to 20 minutes or even for an hour. And after taking it out, you can simply use it as normal. And yeah, this is my secret remedy and an everlasting tips. One more thing. If your material is made up of rubber or silicone, once taking your mobile case out, you might definitely find some pores popped out of your mobile case. In that case, yeah, don't panic or fear. Just leave it dry for about half to 1.5 hours and let it dry completely. The pores gets back to the normal state and yeah, all your mobile case is ready to use. Hope this will be too helpful for each one of us.